Are we ready for some wrestling? Yeah. Well, let's get our first match to kick off the second half out here.
So folks, welcome back to Ignite Wrestling Pro. It's Buckle Up 2, brought to you in association with Hitting the Turnbuckle. Always great to be able to celebrate the partnership with those guys. And we're kicking off the second half with an absolute powder keg of tension. Safire Reed comes bounding into Shenley Road with an absolute bucket load of attitude right now. Cast your minds all the way back to February when Safire attacked Luna Tricks after her win. And thank goodness Aluna Blue was in the building to make the save. And ever since then, Safire Reed been running roughshod over the women's division, whether she was injured or in a match. But making her debut alongside Safire Reed, the deadly one, Nightshade. Someone I've known ever since day one of my wrestling commentary career. All the way back in 2014, I first met Nightshade. You could tell she had a bright future ahead of her back then. But standing shoulder to shoulder, side by side with Safire Reed, this team could be absolutely unstoppable.
This way.
Oh, shut up!
But their opponents for this tag team match, folks. First off, the Crimson Killshot Artemis. Back from injury. It was April that Safire Reed and Artemis were due to have a match. However, Safire Reed had to pull out of that due to injury. So Artemis asked for another match at the next show. And that was where Safire Reed attacked her after the challenge. And again, Aluna Blue making the save. But both women fit and healthy. And this just had to come to a head. You'll notice a running theme as a thread through this entire story, and that is that this woman, Aluna Blue, has done the right thing at every single step of the way, every time it was asked for, every time the opportunity was there. Aluna Blue stepped up, did what was right, saved the day for the division which she calls her own. Nobody has given more to the women's division here in Ignite Wrestling Pro than Aluna Blue. So Luna and Artemis teaming up together. Safire Reed bringing in the hired gun that is Nightshade.
I'll kick your head off if you fucking carry on.
So we have Auna and Safire. Oh, really? Really? Safire Reed tags out. Tags in Nightshade. Auna Blue though just going straight after Nightshade, showing no fear, no intimidation. However, shut down with that huge scoop slam. Huge shoulder tackle from Nightshade. So Safire Reed avoiding Auna Blue, but not afraid to step in there with Artemis, but maybe she should be. 3 for 3 on the scoop slams for Artemis, and Safire Reed might be regretting her life choices right now. Big clothesline. Tag made. Oh! Double tilt kicks right to the back of the head. Safire Reed. And now finally Auna able to get her hands on Safire. Escapes out the side. Oh, another tilt-a-whirl kick. Drop toe hold. Oh, and a big drop kick right between the shoulder blades for Auna. Oh, and then one right to the face. Auna Blue looking for the win. Had the leg hooked, but only a 2 count. Tag made. In comes Artemis. Picks her up. Tags made. The tag team synergy right now between Artemis and Auna really shining through, although there you go, curse to the commentator. Safire Reed able to escape. And in comes Nightshade. Oh, look at this. Stacks them both up. Artemis and Auna going for the ride. Double Samoan drop for Nightshade. Just showing off that strength and power right there. Blind tag made and some miscommunication here. Nightshade and Safire Reed clearly not on the same page. Into the pin. 1. Kick out at 1. Boot up. Safire Reed just choking out Auna in the corner right now. Absolutely no love lost between these two. Oh, another basement drop kick. Into the pin. Kick out at 2. Another tag, and again, what seems to be miscommunication between Safire Reed and Nightshade. All these blind tags, neither woman really cooperating with the other right now. Oh, big palm strike. And another from Auna, 3 for 3. Oh, but gets caught. Scoop slam. Off the ropes. Nightshade with a huge back senton into the pin. 2. Kick out at 2. Right now, Aluna Blue, whether they're on the same page or not, she's in the wrong side of town. Because right now, Safire Reed and Nightshade, they've got Aluna isolated into the pin.
Oh my god, are you joking me? Let's try again, shall we?
Kick out at 2. You just see the frustrations and the anger and the aggression from Safire Reed coming through right now. Tag made. Big scoop slap, big vertical suplex there from Nightshade. Just stomping away at Aluna. Both hands grab, but Aluna somehow able to fight out, picks her up. Oh, into the code breaker. Right on the jaw, and there's the tag, and in comes Artemis. Artemis right now taking out the entire team of Safire and Nightshade. Big uppercut, big corner splash, and another for Nightshade. Artemis right now firing on all cylinders, just taking it to the team of Safire Reed and Nightshade. Belly to belly. And Artemis up now for the Vader bomb into the pin. Hooks the leg. 1, 2. Kick out at 2 from Nightshade. Now Nightshade looking to get hoisted up at the hands of Artemis. She's got her up. Can she capitalize? No, Nightshade able to escape. Picks her up. Spine buster from Nightshade. But another tag made just as Nightshade was going for the killing blow, if you will. Oh, Shining Wizard from Safire. Boots them off. On! You just see Safire and Nightshade, their heads meeting. In comes Aluna. Oh, super kick to Safire. Looking for that choke bomb again, but couldn't quite get it. Oh! Oh, here we go, up on the shoulders. Nightshade looking to finish off Aluna, but wait. Victory roll through. 1, 2, 3. Aluna Blue picks up the victory. What a victory for Aluna and Artemis. The teamwork paid off. They weathered the storm, worked together. And you can see there's still dissension between Safire and Nightshade. But a big victory for the team of Aluna Blue. And the Crimson kill shot Artemis. And Safire Reed, Nightshade still can't get on the same page. I want to try and feel sympathetic, but I just can't. But regardless, folks, Aluna, Artemis pick up the victory.